YouTube, it's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid. Today I'm going to be giving away some free paint. So that's some cans of loop, and this is to do with the competition I held on my Instagram account. So if you're not following on Instagram, head over and follow my Instagram account. That's at GRAFFITI. Yeah, so you really want to be following on Instagram to keep up to date if I'm doing any free competition giveaways and that sort of thing, if you want to get involved. Yeah, so you really want to get onto my Instagram account if you want to keep up to date with any competitions and any freebies that I'm giving away. So yeah, go give that a follow and stay tuned. The paint I'm giving away is in conjunction with a competition that I recently ran to do with Black Friday, and it was to guess the amount of paint that I recently bought, and somebody called Luke guessed 704, which was the correct number on the spot. So shouts out to Luke to getting that right, and he will be getting his 8 free cans of paint of loop. But I'm actually going to give him an extra box anyway, because I feel like being more generous. So he's going to get 3 boxes of loop. Yes, YouTube. So I'm here in Hertford today. I've met up with a man like James. Luke, sorry. Yes, sorry, Luke. I've never met Luke before. No. And he was the lucky winner of the paint competition. So it's not rigged. Here's Luke. He's got his cans. I gave him an extra box just because I'm feeling generous.
Yeah, nice. Christmas
spirit. So yeah, he's got an extra box of paint there. But yeah, hopefully he'll enjoy the cans.
Big up demographics.
Yeah, big up. And if you want to get involved in any competitions, follow me on Instagram. Keep your eyes open, and might have another one soon.